Hello guys, I hope you are all good. Let's go and complete our tutorial. In the previous lesson we create all of this. Now we are going to create the future of AI. Let's go and search for some, I don't know. We can search for some a slide or use the slide we have. I go with the slide we have. We go and ask ChatGPT. For example, I don't know. Let's can you create a 3 paragraph about this title and also give each paragraph a title. Okay, we wait a little for it to create it. After creating, we are going to, okay, let's go. After creating, we are going to use this slide, but in a pretty way. We are going to make a little change for the eyes and make use of the slide we have already. Okay, what we are going to do, we are going to paste the text. Okay, we are going to paste the text, but with a little trick. Can you guess what? It's really easy one. We are going to just change the place of these things. I'm going to change the place of these things. Let me just bring it here, send it to back. Now bring it here. Okay, we are all good. Now we created that. We're going to also change the color of this thing to a color we agree. For example, this green one. And now let's see how the transition is going to work. You see, it's not what you like, but we can always fix it. How? At first, let's just copy the text we have here, copy the text, paste it here. Now we just copy the 3 of them and paste them here. You might think this is ridiculous, but when we are send them to back. Now let's see the transition. You see, we have a problem. Can you guess what is the problem? Okay, maybe you guess up till now, or maybe you not. But the problem is really easy. We just copy this space. The problem is that we don't change the place of this thing at the first place to look different in the second place. Let me just show you what I mean. Okay, I need to send it back. Send back. Now all good. We copy them and paste them here and send them back. We just need to do some modification. Now it's ready. Let's see how the transition works. See, we have a little problem. I give you a lesson, a time for training. I want you to fix a little problem we have here in the transition. Look, it's good, but these things you see, their shadows here are not look very well. Let me show you. If I reduce the time of the transition, increase the time of transition to, for example, 10. Now you exactly see what I say. Look here. See, you can see these things appeared here. I don't like them, and I want you to fix it as a lesson for the next lesson, because I want you to train. It has an easy and creative solution. You can find it. Until the next time, don't forget to ask me if you need anything in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.